And now shifting focus to oil. Oil refineries go max on jet fuel. As the Iran war squeezes global aviation fuel supply, America's oil refineries are pumping out jet fuel at a record pace and cashing in. In this next report, we dive into the details. Take a look.
US refineries are now converting 12.7% of every barrel of crude oil into aviation fuel. According to the COBIS's letter, that is up 2.2 percentage points since the Iran war began and the highest yield ever recorded. In volume terms, that means that US refiners are producing roughly 250,000 more barrels of jet fuel every single day as compared to a year ago. So why the surge? The answer lies in the Strait of Hormuz. The effective closure of this critical waterway has cut off around 400,000 barrels of aviation fuel per day from global markets. That is a massive hole in supply, and American refiners are rushing to fill it. The jet fuel market is relatively small. It accounts for less than 7.5% of total global oil demand. That means even modest changes in supply can send price sharply higher. And that is exactly what is happening. Jet fuel prices have spiked across Europe and Asia. Airlines in both regions depend heavily on fuel routed through the Gulf. With that supply disrupted, carriers are paying significantly more to keep their planes in the air. The consequences are already hitting passengers. Airfares on key international routes have climbed steeply. Travelers flying between Asia and Europe are seeing some of the steepest fare hikes. Several airlines have cut routes entirely. Some smaller carriers operating in Asia and the Gulf region have suspended operations altogether. At least 2 regional airlines have shut down, unable to absorb the fuel cost shock. Meanwhile, US refiners are emerging as the clear winner. With domestic production ramping up and global buyers desperate for supply, American aviation fuel is commanding a premium on world markets. The International Energy Agency has called on refiners globally to redirect crude processing towards jet fuel. But for now, the United States holds the advantage. The Iran war is reshaping global energy flows. And in the jet fuel market, America is flying high. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.